You're looking to get the most out of your time, and in this video I'll show you how to make better use of your time with time management skills, tips, and strategies. Let this playlist series show you how your triangle of life will work to bring reality to your dreams. If you're new here, I'm JD McGivney. Thomas J. Beleza, and welcome to BBR Productions channel. We consult, market, and develop in the entertainment industry. If you want to learn how the process to succeed in the entertainment industry works, then hit the subscribe button.
Hello.
Remember to tap that bell icon to get the latest videos on bringing reality to your dreams. Can we get someone to fix the thing? It says JD McGivney. Longevity needs to be guided by a controlled effort fueled with a semi-balance of order. Organizing your time to take that control into your hands could help ensure a more direct approach to accomplishing tasks. You're working toward creating positive habits for better time managing tools to succeed and schedule your work tasks, keep appointments, and even hit deadlines. But doing many things is not the basis for time management. No, time management is designed to take control over your life. When things control you to an obsessive degree, things will spiral into uncertainty. A thing does not need to get finished as much as things need to get started. The secret to time management comes with your ability to say no to things and yes to life. Break the habits of obsessive behavior to bring a balance back to your workday and secure a healthy career. Now, I just want you to know you should keep in mind the process to success, longevity, and your purpose all have variables. So I want you to take what you learned in this video today with a grain of salt as you follow this series and allow yourself to take notes. Do your due diligence. Research. Because we love breaking down a complicated process and simplifying it for you. This gives us a chance to show you what we have learned from others who have become successful in the entertainment career using their triangle life. How do you normally schedule your tasks out? Let me know in the comments below. If you have often found yourself working on one thing only to realize a full day has vanished, then things are controlling you. Maybe the idea to get something finished because of deadline has led you to this one uncontrollable situation. This is poor time management. Long-term deadlines should show priority. In this video, I'm going to go over some tools to help better manage your time to take back that control. Time management begins with your workstation. A workspace can absolutely affect your mood, your drive, anything that helps to get things started. A healthy, clean area will more likely keep your mind from feeling closed in from any clutter. Every start or end of your day, take a moment to organize your workstation. A clean desk could be the difference between being efficient in your workday or not. Once your work area is organized, it's time to brainstorm a to-do list. Scheduling your day out with listing objectives helps your mind focus on tasks more than focusing on what to do. Your list can be 1,000 items long. You are not required to finish everything on that list today. If a to-do list ends, then you're doing nothing with your career. So write every thought down. Nothing should be left out during your brainstorming session. To me, that's a nice start to an organized day. Now, this is when you need to delegate tasks to get things going. Oh, you have no one to delegate to? How about yourself? Take some time to figure out what elements those tasks are before starting. Are they marketing tasks? Maybe you have a few networking tasks on there to follow up with people. Figure out the names of your elements and organize your list with a color-coded system or even columns. Now, set a number from 1 to 5 next to the top 5 things you must start today. It does not matter the order of this top 5, only that you have officially marked them down. While you still have your list in front of you, mark down any deadline dates next to each needed item. Finish organizing your day by listing food ideas for when your first 15-minute break hits, lunch, and second 15 minutes comes around. Always have your food memorized or listed out because food. Pizza, and maybe a hamburger. No management of time is worth it if you are not prioritizing you first. Balance your life. It's basically essential to enjoying your life. Yes, of course, you love acting, music, writing, all that jazz. Boom, 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 boom. What I'm talking about is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Put time aside for your peace of mind. I work 9 to 12 hours a day doing what I love. I still set aside some time for people, places, and things that make my soul happy, like petting my dog. Another true role of prioritizing your time is knowing your deadlines. When you become aware of a time-sensitive task goal, it is your job to write down with a date and game plan. Deadlines should never prioritize your full day. They should be a part of your workday in a way you are still allowing yourself you time. As in, you time. To choose yes and no toward things. Get ahead of any and all deadlines with control. Set your appointments for your life. Doctors scheduled meetups with friends, associates, families, and even business meetings. But that's not all you should set up in your calendar while handling your time management. That's right. Prioritize people's lives too. Set reminders a week and also a day before a special event in their life. A birthday, anniversary, maybe something big is coming up for them, like a film premiere. An extremely reliable tool to live by when prioritizing your time management is the touch it once rule. Did you open an email? Respond. You missed a call? Call back. You got a text? Text back. You never want to find yourself saying, I'll get to it, and 2 weeks fly by. Opportunities will pass you by if you leave them be. Touch it once creates a healthy habit of getting on things quickly that could quickly get out of hand. A to-do list is a grouping of ideas organized into priorities. A daily plan gives you a greater picture of your day as a whole. Know what chunks of time you would like to dedicate to broad areas. Set a specific amount of hours towards things like your career, personal time, sleep, health, wealth, growth, things that fit you. Now, long-term goals let you know where you're heading, have direction to properly prep for. A business plan organizes goals for its 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10-year long-term goals. Each milestone represents a new business level. Year 1 solidifies a position in an industry. Year 3 sets the bar if you're a success or not. Knowing your long-term goals help you to set up stronger short-term tasks. Examples for your, let's say, year 1 goals might be to know your budget growth, to see if you earned above your overhead. Look at how your circle of influence has expanded. Maybe even set goals based on elements of how your company is growing in each area.
Hello.
Set specific numbers to guide you. A strong result indicator is, are you working and making a living within your field of interest? If so, then you're on the right track in your first year. Link your goals together. Let your short-term goals influence your long-term goals. Rule of thumb, with any business, is basically to allow everything you do to affect everything you do. Placing your valuable time into any activity should fuel results in all areas of some level. Even if the results are minuscule, all things add up to big results in the end. The first step in a million-mile journey is the beginning of being one step closer. Strong essential habits are key to a career's longevity. Setting up positive behavior can work towards maintaining a strong work ethic. Place time into your habit-building efforts. You are worth every ounce of want you have in yourself to accomplish your dreams. Successful people take on good habits. Being around those successful people with those good habits could potentially influence you all the same. A time management habit to build is working within time blocks. A block of time set to a specific task with a dedicated amount of time from 15 to 2 hours per block. Time blocks are designed to keep you centered on one task at a time while allowing you to control that time. This habit controls your ability to start multiple tasks in a day without being overwhelmed by one particular task. Now, time blocks work best when following these rules. 1. A set time is utilized on all time blocks for that day. 2. You can work less time than a block-specific time. 3. When that select time runs out, stop what you're doing and move on to the next time block. 4. Your job is to start things. You can always work on it again the next day. 5. You can have as many time blocks in a day as you want. No matter how many you choose to do with your time blocks, please remember to always take breaks. Remember, you're important to your path. Without you, then nothing can get started. Take lunch breaks, 15-minute breaks, whatever you can to eat, or, take a nap. And even allow yourself a chance to, stretch and walk around a little bit. You need your energy to be proactive and productive. A car with a failing engine will only get you so far in an efficient time. Care about you. I do. You should too. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Stephen King. Who truly benefits from time management? I don't know, but I believe it could be you and those around you, because time management is about you taking back control in your life to do right by others. Being in control allows you to accomplish tasks in a timely manner, to being on time often. Time management lets you know if you're available or not, to have the power and freedom to say yes or no when you know time isn't available. Be in control of your time. What makes time management an asset? Knowing you can or cannot take something on. Knowing how to manage that time to accomplish tasks in order of importance. Living in the chaos of the unknown leads down a manic path of uncertainty. Turn chaos into possibility, where your 24 hours a day can become a manageable field of endless opportunity. You have now organized it into actionable intent. When will you know your time management is working? I don't know. No, wait, I do know. In fact, it's right here. It says, you will know when you can see how well you handle a single hour. This gives direction that guides you in getting the most out of your hour. Your time management can basically delegate for you at this point to let you know when you are available or can make yourself available. You will know when you're capable of moving things around more realistically, the more comfortable you get with time management. Where can time management take you? It takes you to the place of control. You want to take back control over your time instead of things controlling you. When things control you, things feel like they need to get finished first. In the end, the most important thing is your time. How you utilize that time best comes down to where you choose to control what you are doing with that time. Why should you build your time management skills? To reasonably take on more in your career. At any given point, we have 20 plus projects on the board at BBR Productions. We worked hard to master our time management to organize that chaos into a well-oiled machine. Look, you deserve the time to get everything you want to get done. Done. Work a little here and there, and everything will come together. How can you begin to take back control over your time? Start small. Map out a few time blocks a day. Let those blocks be 15 minutes in the beginning. This gives you an opportunity to get comfortable stopping when the alarm goes off. 2 hours of work time gives you 8 time blocks of tasks to start and stop at 15-minute increments. This helps you train your time management habits until it is a natural action for you. When it all comes down to it, time management is helping your stress management. Control could potentially alleviate stress. The overwhelming sensation to get things done could be that one thing taking a lot out of a person. The person could be you. That feeling of having too much on your plate, or your to-do list is growing to an insane amount of things to accomplish with no end in sight. A lot can seem like it is untouchable. You need to give yourself peace of mind in your life. Time management is one of the tools to do so. Taking back that control puts your life on track for your wants. Control will set your plan back in your hands to give you time for you as well. Because meditation, whatever form you can do it in, is a valuable act of kindness to yourself. Always take time for you in a day, in a week, month, or a year. Be kind to you. Make every day a day of new beginnings, fresh starts. and simply another step closer to your million-mile walk. For one step a day will be 365 steps closer to your dream becoming reality. Now, imagine if you were doing 8 hours of work time toward your dream. That's 8 steps a day, which equals 2,920 steps to accomplishing your dream. What you learn today is only as useful as what you do with it tomorrow. Look, we deeply appreciate the love and support you are giving our channel. If you're new here and got this far, please subscribe for future content. Have questions? Let me know in the comments below. Show us you love our content with a like, a comment, and a share of this video. And as always, it still says JD McGivney on this. I'm calling my union worker. Anyway, I guess I am sometimes Thomas J. Beleza. And remember, your success is best with a team. So work together, grow together, and rise together. Bring reality to your dreams. Where's my 15?
Oh dear.